Bitcoin money sort of is a mid-position digital money at present valued at $243.49 that has a place with the class of mineable coins, with a market capitalization of $4,758,493,207, which certainly is genuinely critical. Over the very past beautiful few years, digital forms of money, including Bitcoin money, laid out a by and large solid traction in the worldwide monetary world and really are currently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary standards, forex. A few institutional financial backers, even in a real sense, consider crypto as a proficient supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, which in a real sense is very critical. Retail financial backers and dealers in every practical sense are keen on digital currencies for example, BCH, in light of the fact that this truly is seemingly the most open monetary market where various resources sort of have the truly potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a moderately by and large brief timeframe. Amazingly, these profits generally are somewhat impossible in genuinely different business sectors, which is the motivation behind why most sort of moderate financial backers really are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Bitcoin money. While the groundbreaking ones generally dedicate a huge piece of their funding to this quickly creating resource class in an unpretentious manner. At this specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $243.49, where it at present fundamentally sits in an especially significant manner. As currently referenced, BCH generally is a mid-position cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 20th spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the very metric that not entirely settled by duplicating the kind of current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, or so they most certainly thought. On account of Bitcoin money, the market capitalization truly remains at $4,758,493,207. The significance of this boundary will generally be made sense of later in a genuinely large manner. Our cost expectation calculation is planned so that it ceaselessly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the advanced resource being referred to really furnish our endorsers with the most reliable data on the sort of present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily in every practical sense survey the condition of their portfolio and basically choose whether or not it by and large requirements to be reconfigured, or so they explicitly thought. Our calculation additionally really focuses on verifiable information, which explicitly is irreplaceable for the right assessment of both truly current and expected market structure and the appraisal of its in every practical sense, present and future course, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Beneath you will in a real sense find really key portions of this verifiable information with the goal that you also could, all things considered, have a comprehension of where the Bitcoin money market in every way that really matters is going incredibly. Yesterday, on October 26, BCH generally was esteemed at $254.09 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Explicitly recollect that digital currencies in every practical sense are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. which shows that our calculation likewise gives kind of exceptional consideration to verifiable information, which generally is irreplaceable for the fundamentally right assessment of both really current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its present and future course in a very large manner. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period explicitly added up to 3.38%, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. 7 days prior, on October 20, Bitcoin money was exchanged at $227.44 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that generally near its especially present situation in an unpretentious manner. On September 27, which in a real sense was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged BCH at $214.21, the cost level that generally is at the distance of 13.67% from where it as of now sort of stands. The cost of BCH and the readings of CVIX in every practical sense are not by any means the only measurements that we use while attracting the cost expectations a kind of significant way. Market capitalization fundamentally is another significant pretty metric that essentially assists brokers with deciding the prevalence of the digital currency being referred to, as well as its future possibilities, which generally is genuinely critical. It's likewise used to survey the offer that Bitcoin money truly holds inside the whole digital currency market, which truly is very critical. The recipe for the estimation of market capitalization especially is somewhat straightforward. The coursing supply of the money being referred to essentially is duplicated by its sort of current cost. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of BCH remains at $4,758,493,207, enough to name it the 20th, actually the biggest coin on the digital money market in a very huge manner. Yesterday, on October 26, the market capitalization of Bitcoin money sort of remained at $4,965,252,353, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. 7 days prior, on October 20, the capitalization of BCH really was $4,443,272,298 amazingly. A month prior, on September 27, how much beautiful capital streaming around this sort of specific market explicitly added up to $4,184,164 in a huge manner. Most cryptographic money financial backers especially stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a really certain digital currency and its capacity to, in every practical sense, endure disturbances which generally are the normal event on this exceptionally unstable market in a genuinely huge manner. The extremely greatest inventory of Bitcoin money really is 21,000,000 BCH. The very all-out supply of BCH presently truly remains at 19,542,506 coins, or so they sort of thought. The flowing stock of the digital currency under survey in a real sense is 19,542,506 BCH in an unobtrusive manner. This Bitcoin money cost expectation wouldn't sort of be finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it is the truly metric utilized by practically all digital currency merchants to sort of affirm the strength of the pattern and the reasonability of a market move. For example, assuming the breakout to the potential gain sort of is happening on the rear of the very low exchanging volume, there essentially is a high likelihood that this move by and large is impractical and would generally bring about a bullish snare in an unobtrusive manner. Hence, it is vital to truly dissect the in every practical sense past and the exceptionally current exchanging volume of BCH request to especially comprehend whether this market has a basic strength, or so they thought. Over the essentially beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume on the Bitcoin money market generally was enlisted at $205,788,683, versus the in a real sense thought. Yesterday, on October 26, BCH basically had an exchanging volume of $215,795,823, which by and large is genuinely huge. 7 days prior, on October 20, the very normal kind of everyday exchanging volume on that market really added up to $147,452,220 so the coursing supply of the digital money under survey has 19,542,506 BCH in a significant manner.